Hello, future developers. Welcome to another tutorial with NumPy. Um, so today we're doing something on Axes. Okay, so I think this should be E or so. Okay, so Axes. Okay, so Axes, you have the rows to be 1, and then the Axes 0 to be columns. Okay, so let's see. Let's create a table. Let me see. So okay, so let's say something here. Sorry, Word document. Okay, so I'm going to insert a table, Okay, so these are our columns. Okay, then here are our rows. Okay, so let me say column name, gender, let's say sports. Okay, so let's just so name, all, gender, male, let's say male, I mean Melinda, female, them, Joe, maybe I don't know. So let's make it female. And then sports, let's make it football, basketball, tennis. And add age, let's say age 10, 20, and then 30. Okay, so this so here these are going to be our rows. Okay, and these are our columns. Okay, so let's say, let me see. So when we say as is, okay, as is one, so maybe we want values from let's say as is one is referring to zeros, the rows. Okay, so when you specify let's say 1, meaning you want values here. Okay, and then if you want 0, so that's the columns you want values. Well, you want to do some kind of computation, let's say vertically. If it specifies 1, meaning you want to do horizontal. 0, meaning you want to do vertical. Okay, so column wise and then row wise. So let's say let's look at the example here. Okay, so this sums the rows. Okay, so the rows let's say, so print a dot sum as is equal to 1. So remember, 1 means rows. Okay, so let's see what we got here. So we got to 615. So let's see how this was achieved. So as is equal to 1, so the rows. For let's try printing a. Okay, so let's print a first. Okay, so this is printed a. Okay, so why do we have 615? Okay, so what I did was we did this. Okay, so row wise, so 1 plus 2 plus 3 should give us 6, and then 4 plus 5 plus 6 should give us 15. Okay, so let's try something else. So I'm going to add here, and let me see if I have anything. Okay, so a equals to np, and then let me just take this out, and then let me print a, and let me change this to m. I'm going to change this to m, and I'm going to print m. Okay, so this, okay, and then we want to find like sum the rows. Okay, so we want to sum the rows. So to do that, let me just add this. Okay, and then I'm going to print into bracket m dot sum. Okay, and then I'm going to specify the axis. Okay, so remember, if we choose 1, okay, meaning we are going to sum the rows. So axis equals 1. Okay, so let's print it out. So you have 6 and then 12. So let's try. So 3 plus 2 plus 1 should give us 6. 5 plus 4 plus 3 should give us 12. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so let's do that for the columns using specifying. Let me take this down. Okay, so let's do same for the control V. Let's take this out. I should change it to M. Then I'm going to print M. Okay, the same thing. Okay, then let's add, and then we are going to do the summation. Okay, so print into brackets m dot sum into brackets let's say axis equals 0. Let's print. Okay, so you can see where's the what did we get? So you can see we have 4, 6, and 8. 4, 6, and 8 because what? So it did a vertical counting. Okay, so 3 plus 1 is what? 4. So it was counting the columns, summing the columns. So 4 plus 2, 6. Then 5 plus 3 is 8. So that's it for the axis. So one thing you should know, axis is very helpful, probably maybe when you're using pandas, okay, and you want to drop a particular row, or you want to check a particular row, or you want to do some kind of computation on a row or a column, you want to drop a particular column. That's when the axis might come in handy. Okay, so you can drop a row, do some computation with that particular row, or drop a column. Yeah. So by using this kind of specifying this axis or using this method, so 1 or 0. So 1, remember 1 is for the rows and then 0 is for the columns. Okay, so thank you. See you in our next tutorial.